Anything you learn becomes your own. That's what my dad used to say to me. Years of experience, and all of it, it's mine. Carpentry, plastering, and remodeling. I learned and mastered it all with my own hands. And when I mastered the easy battery reconditioning method for reviving old and used batteries, it was mine for life as well. From now on, I don't need to buy new batteries. I can recondition my old batteries and reuse them instead. The simple method I use to bring old batteries back to life saves me money. I can even recondition and reuse my old car battery, so I don't have to buy a new one. Click the link below now to learn how to bring old batteries back to life again. Learn this once and have it forever. So go ahead, click the link below now to learn one of the most useful and money-saving skills on earth that will benefit you for the rest of your life.